Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write step by step how to find the equivalent polynomial of each binomial square displayed on the screen. To solve these exercises, I'm going to use the formula for binomial square. A minus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. When I apply the formula for the first exercise, it equals to 1/5 x cubed y to the fourth power in parentheses squared minus 2 times 1/5 x cubed y to the fourth power multiplied by 1/7 a squared z to the fifth power plus 1/7 a squared z to the fifth power in parentheses squared. And when I apply the rules of exponents to simplify further, I get x to the sixth power y to the eighth power over 25 minus I have 2 times 1/5 multiplied by 1/7, which is 2 over 35 multiplied by a squared x cubed y to the fourth power z to the fifth power plus a to the fourth power z to the 10th over 49. Next exercise. When I apply the formula for binomial square for this exercise, it equals to 0.4 b to the fifth power y to the fourth power in parentheses squared minus 2 times 0.4 b to the fifth power y to the fourth power multiplied by 0.2 x to the sixth z cubed plus 0.2 x to the sixth power z cubed in parentheses squared. When I apply the rules of exponents and simplify further, I get 0.16 b to the 10th power y to the 8th power minus I have 2 times 0.4, which is 0.8, multiplied by 0.2, or I get 0.16 b to the fifth power x to the sixth power y to the fourth z cubed plus 0.04 x to the 12th power z to the sixth power. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.